To demonstrate Pro 1 XPL 101 penetrating spray with XPL Plus technology, we use a triple cross axis friction machine, similar to what is used in laboratories to test film strength in oils and lubricants. An inch-pound torque wrench applies pressure between a tapered roller bearing that has a C58 Rockwell hardness and a spinning race that has a C62 Rockwell hardness. An amp gauge shows how much power is being drawn when pressure is applied on the torque wrench. When 6 pounds of pressure is applied through this geometrical progression of leverage, we get 4,000 pounds of pressure per square inch at point-to-point contact. When the needle reaches all the way over to the other end of the torque wrench, there is 200,000 pounds per square inch at point-to-point contact. The three things to watch here are the needle on the torque wrench, the amp gauge, and the wear scar on the bearing. First, we demonstrate the top-selling spray lubricants on the market, starting with this well-known brand. With only a fingerful of pressure, equivalent to only 4,000 pounds of pressure per square inch, the machine stops and the product fails. Now we'll try this industrial-grade spray lube. And again, it also fails with just a fingerful of pressure, about 4,000 pounds of pressure. Not much improvement. Here's another well-known product. And also, it goes up in smoke in just seconds. Now, our XPL Plus bonding technology is attracted to heat and friction. Watch what happens when we apply the maximum amount of pressure and grind the bearing and race to over 500 degrees Fahrenheit and apply XPL 101. Immediately the noise stops, and this time we can pull the torque wrench all the way to the end. And look at the gauge. That's 200,000 psi, 50 times the pressure. And we still can't stop the test machine no matter how long we hold it there. We now apply water, and you can hear how hot it is. Even underwater, we can pull it to over 200,000 pounds. We add dirt to the water. And as you can see, the machine continues to run at over 200,000 pounds of pressure. Take a look at the blue discoloration on the bearing. This indicates over 500 degrees Fahrenheit of heat, which removed the temper on the bearing. Now that's extreme protection. To further demonstrate the protection of Pro 1 XPL 101, and we recommend you do not try this at home, we disconnect the electrical cords and spray both ends with XPL 101, then reconnect them. The machine is on, and we know water and electricity do not mix. But with the terminals visible, we can put it underwater and the machine continues to run. Now that's real protection. Pro 1 XPL 101 penetrating lubricant